Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mecalac. We are proud to present a machine that has been revolutionizing urban work sites over the past several years. This machine is called the 6MCR. It's a perfect combination. A two-in-one machine being a compact crawler excavator and a compact loader in the same machine, weighing about 12,000 pounds with a speed of 6 miles per hour and 360-degree full rotation. This machine represents a revolution to the way that you can approach your work sites. So, what else? Let me flip my pages here, sorry. So this machine executes all excavating, loading, and handling jobs. Mecalac designs, manufactures, and distributes compact, innovative solutions for your demanding work site needs. Alright, let's see what she can do. It's a boy. Oh, it's a boy. So the first thing that we have you notice is the new generation of patented quick coupling called the Conexpo. The cylinder, located at the end of the arm, reduces weight and obstruction. Switching accessories is safe, fast, and easy with the Conexpo. Plus, the buckets are reversible. The MCR has a phenomenal work amplitude. The offset allows a much greater work range compared to a traditional machine and can reach out for nearly 20 feet out in front, and has the capacity to work back extremely close to the chassis. So large work latitude on the ground and maximum compactness when the boom is folded back. There it is, that 360-degree rotation, allowing you to work in very tight, confined spaces, so you're not a burden on urban work zones. Now here's the hydraulic offset arm. This hydraulic offset allows you to work beyond the machine's natural contours, so you can do things such as open a trench beyond a slope or wall with precision and efficiency. Laying pipe, removal of materials for recycling, there is no path with the offset arm. Also, you see how the offset is very well integrated, therefore it's not exposed and very light. The machine stability is not penalized. So you can see how our operator is driving the MCR exactly like he would a traditional excavator. 2 controls for the equipment, plus the foot pedal control for traveling. He's going to put down the bucket and switch over here to the skid bucket, and we'll now demonstrate this machine in loader mode. And how you switch it over from being an excavator to a loader is extremely simple. Just place the skid bucket onto the blade, and then the operator with an easy-to-use control panel literally just flicks the switch, and now you're in compact loader mode using the joysticks. The left-hand joystick for traveling and counter rotations, and the right-hand joystick for lifting the intermediate boom and bucket control. So the 6MCR, as I mentioned earlier, is a very fast machine thanks to the triangular design of the chassis, along with a dual hydrostatic transmission. There's unrivaled performance and power to travel at unprecedented speeds of 6 miles per hour. So we can see even in loader mode, with the rotation on all sides of the vehicle, this will significantly decrease vehicle deployment. Now once again, the 360-degree rotation with a fully loaded bucket. The operator has extremely good visibility of his work site, hence being very safe. Now showing you a little bit of sanding, leveling, and grading. How very the chassis you're able to work, only needing one lane in traffic to carry out your tasks, so you're not a hindrance to the local population. The patented system allows loading to be done with the loader bucket supported onto the blade, so no constraints on the equipment, and increased loading efficiency thanks to the force transmitted directly from the chassis to the bucket. The bucket shape and lever allows you to maneuvering in the cluttered sites so you can finish your job neatly and properly at the end of the day. So the 6MCR is a true excavator performing compact loader, but it is also a versatile and powerful handling machine. We'll see now the operator is putting down the skid bucket. And he's going to be switching into the forks. The pallet he'll be taking is about 2,200 pounds, so very similar to weights that you're used to working with on your sites. There he goes, quick and easy, very safe with the Connect quick coupling. Here he goes, the exceptional lifting performance and stability of the machine allows you to lift and place a pallet over 16 feet high. Once again, very good visibility for the driver, and the cab is comfortable and spacious as well. Now you can see how easily you can deposit your load far out in front of you. The quality of the hydraulic circuit allows you to keep perfect control with precision and power. Look at the power on that Mecalac arm. Now our operator will go onto this uneven terrain here. Notice how the pallet stays horizontal regardless of the terrain. And now something which is unique only to Mecalac, the negative lift. These are the only machines on the market capable of doing this. You're able to place materials below ground level. Nobody else can do this. So the MCR machine is extremely versatile thanks to the Connect quick coupling and the additional hydraulic tools. You can equip yourself within a few short seconds with hydraulic hammers, cutters, augers, mixers. You can now take on more jobs than ever before. Each worksite is unique, and the MCR offers multiple solutions for adapting to working conditions without ever losing productivity. So increased productivity means increased profitability for you. So the 6MCR is a very small, compact machine with design and performance that is absolutely extraordinary. The design engineers even made sure accessibility to the engine and parts were user-friendly from the ground. Our operator now opening the hood, everything's right there within reach, super easy. The Mecalac 6MCR. So thank you very much for joining us this afternoon here at Mecalac. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask one of our Mecalac representatives. We are featuring also this week here at Vegas, the world premiere